वेलकम टू 50 शेड्स ऑफ सेंटेंस। आज का हमारा सेंटेंस है ये क्या बदतमीजी है या ये क्या बेहूदगी है। यू नो somebody has been misbehaving और mistreating you and आपको कहना होता है कि यार ये क्या बदतमीजी है, ये क्या बेहूदगी है। एंड वी हैड ऑलमोस्ट 8-9 शेड्स। इसको इंग्लिश में हम कैसे कैसे कह सकते हैं, लेट्स सी। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट द हेल इज दैट। Okay, what the hell is that? Or you can also say what the heck is this? Heck is an alternate word for hell. और आप ये भी कह सकते हैं what kind of nonsense is that? Fine. और आप ये भी कह सकते हैं what the hell are you doing? Somebody is just doing something nonsense and you say what the hell are you doing? Right? और आप ये भी कह सकते हैं what the fuck? The F word, the slang, what the fuck is that? Right? Or you can also say what on earth are you doing? खुदा का नाम है, ये तुम क्या कर रहे हो? Right? Or you can also say what rubbish is that? ये क्या बदतमीजी है? और lastly you can say what a lot of crap is this? ये क्या crap है, ये क्या गंदगी फैला रहे हो तुम? Right? So this was ये क्या बदतमीजी है, ये क्या बेहूदगी है, and you had almost 8-9 shades to say this expression in English. And remember one thing, I'm just teaching you, I can only teach you, but the expressions you have to bring yourself. And without expressions, your English is a piece of shit itself. So work on your expressions. That's it for today. See you next time.